What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to go over the stock account. I'm going to cover any stock or options moves that I made today. We're going to look at how the hedge performed today that we put on yesterday. I'm going to look at the crypto portfolio and also do a little bit of technical analysis. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And let's get into it. So today's account balance is $288,000 in the main stock account. It was a really great day, up 2% or $6,196. The main reason for that was the Bitcoin move. So right at the top here, you look at IBIT, the Bitcoin ETF was up 7% or 4,900. And that was the main reason for the portfolio bump today. Honestly, the portfolio would have been up much more, but some of the covered calls that I have on some of these stocks are deep in the money and are weighing down on the portfolio gain. But that's okay. We're just going to keep rolling those out and up, and we'll deal with it. So starting from the top, what was really green today? Microsoft had a huge move. Tesla and Enphase, I think were briefly green, but ended up not really doing much. CrowdStrike had a big 4% move. Palo Alto had a 5% move. I believe that was on the news of a partnership with IBM, which is really exciting. Meta up 2%. That's really great. Shopify finally in the green, which is nice, and Palantir up almost 1%. So really great day in the main stock account. As far as the moves that I made today, I bought 51 shares of Shopify. You see there right at the top at $59 per share, and which was about $3,000. So I want to show you guys why I decided to buy today. So this is a 12-month chart of Shopify, and if we zoom in to the past couple of weeks, we'll see that a couple of days ago we obviously had that huge drop right here, but we're starting to see a bottoming out process, which is what I look for. I already have a position built of about $20,000 worth of Shopify, but then you have to decide, when do you add to that position? And one of the things that I look for after this big drop right here is for that first green candle, which we got today. So that's a sign that buyers are starting to step in and say, hey, this stock is looking too juicy for me not to pick up some shares. And so that was one thing I can see. The stock is starting to trade sideways. The second thing is that up here at the top, you can see the RSI, briefly dipped below 30, which is a really great indication, and one of my favorite indicators that the stock is oversold, and that we could get at least a near-term bottom in the stock. And so I decided to add a few shares. I am really excited about Shopify, and so if it were to significantly go lower, I will continue to buy. This was just, sort of a nibble for me. Couldn't really resist it under $60 right now. So that was just more of a nibble buy, but definitely excited about that price. Now, if we look at the hedge that we put on yesterday, which was an SQQQ hedge, you'll see that it's pretty much down 83% today, which was really great. So I pretty much lost everything that I put into the hedge. But that's what you want when you put on a hedge, guys. So you'll see it's down 83% today, minus $415. And that's the best $415 I've ever lost, because if a hedge is not working, then that would mean that the portfolio is up a whole lot, which it was today. And so I'm definitely very excited to lose this money. I actually put on a limit order. You can see right here at the top on this history right here, I put a limit order today to try to close the trade. but unfortunately I couldn't get it filled. So the bids were $0 and the asks were 1 penny, and so I tried putting in like 70 cents somewhere in the middle, but it wouldn't let me do that. So I had to put in, the limit price right there at 1 penny, and it didn't get filled. So unless we get a big move to the downside over the next 2 days, this will just expire completely worthless, and we'll have lost the whole 500. But that's the whole goal. If the hedge would have been making money, then that means the portfolio would have been down significantly. So it's just like having insurance. You hope that you never need it. What else do we have? So let's look at in this portfolio, what else? So we have Ethereum. We are finally back in the green here, so we're up 1%, 75.84 of Ethereum, and just leaving us alone for now. Like I said yesterday, if it dips, we'll add, and if it makes a major move to the 3,300 and starts to break out, then we will add some more there. Right now in buying power, we have 2,300 of cash, and so that will sit there until Ethereum makes a move one way or the other. The SoFi call is kind of stagnant. Honestly, I'm planning on closing this tomorrow. It's like I get bullish and on SoFi because of when it comes down, I feel like it's a good swing opportunity, but it's just not doing anything. And so I'm just going to cash that out, and I feel like, honestly, I'm probably going to put that into some Ethereum if it dips, because I feel like that's more of an easy double over the next 12 months. And SoFi, I just don't feel like it's going to double in that time frame. So you always have to consider opportunity costs and what that will do for your portfolio. For the main crypto portfolio, was up 7% or $2,800 today, so really, really happy with that. Still just holding the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've been looking into like some meme stocks or something, but it's too much to learn about, and it's not really the easiest thing to do because you can't buy them on a lot of these platforms. You have to do it through like these layer 2 base platforms and all this type of things. So we'll see how that goes. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I guess the market thought the CPI was really good today, and so that's why we saw a nice move up in the portfolio. And I will let you guys know, obviously, any moves I make tomorrow, and hopefully we have a strong close to the week. I hope you guys have a great day tomorrow on Thursday, and happy trading.